Our next guest is no stranger to the stage, having grown up occasionally missing school to travel the world with her mum. How bad? And now she's getting ready to maybe take her own daughter on her own tour.
The dilemma. Here to chat all about her new music and a special song dedicated to her mum. It's Roisín O. Good morning to you, Roisín.
Hi, Roisín. How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'd love you just come in all the time. You've just been practicing, playing.
It's not even practicing. She sat down and just smashed it. It was like watching Celine Dion or something.
At 9 o'clock in the morning.
Stop, not
Unbelievable.
thanks.
And you've been up early with Indy.
Yeah, Indy. Yeah, she's amazing.
How baby girl? What age is she now?
She's 7 months the other day, and she's an angel. She's like sleeping through the night and laughing and babbling and singing, and yeah, we're blessed. Absolutely.
Does she enjoy music? Would you play a lot of music in front of her? Would you sing, practice? Is she just always sitting there watching?
Yeah, she's taking it all in, you know. I can hear it in her voice. She loves her voice. She's like, oh, blah, 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 all the time. Like, so a bit of me in there.
She got that off.
Exactly. No, she's an angel.
But adding to the next generation of the Black family, who we all have such a sense of ownership over, and I'm so sorry about that. But there is this song that you have, Magic. A lot of people would have heard it on the Late Late Show special, dedicated to your mother. It gave me goosebumps. I was crying. You wrote this song before you were pregnant with Indy. So tell us about the song.
Yeah, so I wrote it when I was down in Dingle. I had been singing in the hospice with my mum and my brother. We had been asked to come in to light the tree for the patients and meet some patients. And Mum was just so amazing that day. She was like shaking hands with everybody and telling stories about the old days. And she was just like a light in the room, you know. And I was really proud of her. And I started writing the song about that day. And then it became a song about growing up with a working mum and how that was hard when she wasn't there, but how much we loved it when she came home, and just about how amazing she was going on tour with her and seeing her growing up, like being this amazing star, but also my mum at the same time.
But then when you have your perspective on this song, because you wrote it before you had Indy. Has it changed now you've had Indy?
I'd say it has a bit, because obviously it's from this perspective of me missing my mum.
Yeah.
And obviously my mum always would tell us how much she missed us, but now I really know, like, you know, and I've only really left Indy like a few times. I did fail in a Plaza there last weekend, so I was away for 2 nights, and that was the first time. And it was like, oh, right, yeah, this is hard, like, you know.
But the lyrics are... Because I'm sure she tried to make it as normal as possible, and she tried to get home as much as she could, but she was touring. And and this is the picture, this is the cover picture as well. You looking up at her just in admiration. What was her reaction when she heard the lyrics? Because they're special.
I think she was taken aback, definitely. I had sort of mentioned I was writing something, and we were away skiing with a load of friends, and, you know, of course, we were in the Irish bar afterwards having a few drinks and a sing-song, and I blasted it out.
That's not very fair to everybody else in the bar, is it?
Yeah, I know.
It's like, I'll get up and sing a song, and then you're up, it's like nobody else.
Yeah, no, but it was actually really nice. It was all family and friends, as I was saying, and like, there wasn't a dry eye in the house, and I wasn't really expecting to release this song. It really was a song for my mum and me, maybe my family, but just seeing people's reaction, it made me think, other people should hear it too. Because even though she's my mum, people, especially in Ireland, obviously, they have this ownership over it. They're Mary Black as well, this woman that they've grown up with. So I think they can see both sides of that, you know.
Because it's mad. I think everyone has a Mary Black or a Frances Black, like a story about your family with Danny or with you.
Yeah.
And as you said, so unbelievably proud of you. Yeah. So, like, that picture that you have on the cover of Magic, I think that's beautiful. And it was the day when you realised, oh, hold on, I want everyone to know she's mum.
Yeah.
Mum, what's going on? What happened?
Exactly, yeah. That photo's been sitting in our toilet in Dublin for years. But she brought me along to she was giving a talk in a school, local school. And I was, before I even started school, and I saw her, she was standing up, and all these kids were staring at her like, oh my God. And I was like, oh, all these kids think my mom's cool. I'm going to go up there and let them know that she's my mom. So that was me literally walking up and holding her hand, like just out of the blue. And I didn't ask her, could I walk up, Brennan? And just to let them know, this is my mom.
And you're just right, exactly. You might all think you know her, but
Yeah.
She's gone home.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, it's a busy time of year for you. Engaged. You released obviously Magic, but also you've ordered the wedding dress.
I have.
Exciting times
we're
ahead.
getting married in September. We're absolutely buzzing.
Wow.
It's all go, organising it. And obviously I'm on tour now, and this is the first time I've been back on tour since I've had the baby. So, yeah, juggling it all, but loving it. The gigs are going great, and I'm just loving being back on the road.
The Excel sheet must be insane.
Don't talk to me, Maren.
Who's in charge of the Excel sheet?
Me, definitely me. Me, big time. But we're getting there. We'll get there. We're a little bit slow at organising things for the wedding, but we'll be fine.
I wonder who you'll ask to do the music. So, because this is mad, like you are on tour, you're going to be all over the place. You're going to be in Dolan's in Limerick.
Yeah, 10th.
Connolly's of Lepp in Cork.
In 23rd.
Whelan's.
Whelan's on the 16th of May.
Whelan's 16th of May.
Yeah.
And then a wedding.
Yeah. And some other dates that are sold out.
Some other dates. Sorry, there are the dates that aren't sold out. You can find out more notes, the wedding, organising that.
Yeah.
Come here to me. Like, I'm assuming music takes center stage.
Oh,
at
big
it, doesn't
time.
it?
Music is the most important thing, especially for the ceremony and the afters. And
Like, is your wedding band Danny?
Not necessarily,
She
but he'll
found him
definitely be getting up there. Like, you don't come to an O'Reilly Black reunion without getting to sing a few songs. That's
It's not your day, Danny. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get up there and work. Then.
Aoife Scott being like, oh, sure, I'll just do back and back. Like, lads, that is going to be one hell of a party.
No, it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun.
And Garrod, where's he at the minute then?
He's at home with Indy this morning. He was away in LA. He's an artist as well. So it's sort of good in a way because we take turns going away. He was in LA for 3 weeks on a residency and now I'm on tour. So he gets to be mom.
He gets to be mom.
But it's hard, the juggle. Do you know what I mean?
It is hard, but we have a great support system. And obviously I've learned from the best on the best way to do it. And it is, I think it's important as a mom to take time for yourself and your dreams and that she sees that like, the things I want are important as well as how important she is.
It is. You're a part of, one of Ireland's super groups, Irish Women in Harmony, which have played songs that your family have all sung before. Yeah. And there are so many women in that group. And every time we talk to someone, they're like, it is fabulous. Everyone's really sound. But you would have known Moya. Moya Brennan.
Oh, it was absolutely heartbreaking. Yeah, her daughter Aisling let us know that she had passed, and it was just so out of the blue. And we have this amazing WhatsApp group that because we're all individual artists, and if people are sharing things, hey girls, can you share this? And Moya would always be in like, oh my God, that's amazing. I saw you on this, and be like the mom of the group, like really encouraging and just an absolute angel, gorgeous woman to be around. And be with
and the
at any of those moments.
Listen,
the talent.
Left an amazing legacy out there that you are continue, and the Women in Harmony are doing a super job as well. Listen, as we just mentioned, 10th of May, Limerick, 16th of May, Whelan's, and the 23rd of May in Cork. Make sure to get on and get those tickets or check out your social media as well. Are you going to play us out with a little tune?
Lads, this is honestly goosebump stuff. Roisín Ó with Magic.
Here we go. Thanks,
Take it away.
As a child, there were times I missed her dearly, she'd say. Tug on your heartstring and I'll always know you're near me. But our house always felt lonelier without her in it. My brothers teased me, but I know they felt the same. Oh, but Mary worked her magic in that place. She ran the race just like all those strong young mothers, working hard to feed their young ones, even though it hurt her desperately each time she had to leave. My favorite memories are of her coming back home to Ireland, home to Westfield, through the blue door and into her arms we'd race. And all the sadness held was lost in her embrace. She was magic in that place. She was magic in that place.
Oh my God. An anthem for all, working mothers who have to leave their family. That is
It really is.
Cheers, guys.
That was amazing. Honestly, you can listen to it all day. Go get your tickets because it's going to be 100% worth it. Roisín O. It's a super gorgeous
I feel
song.
like a useless human. That challenge is to sit next to that is unbelievable. Thank you
thank
so
you guys.
much,
Thanks for having
Roisín.
me. It's great to be
We
here.
love having you in. That was gorgeous.
Okay.
We'll be back with you in Ireland AM in just a few minutes.